the CPM and to
Assalamualaikum, my name is Novadani Bidishilahi. I trigger number 03DUB6B002. Today we're going to talk about machinery and equipment. Machinery and equipment is the guarantee of modern building construction and is the key link to ensure the smooth implementation of the construction project. It is very inseparable from the construction machinery equipment and modern building construction. And the field of machinery management must be focused on the main parties that should be equipped with a full-time management system. That is, they are responsible to control the safety management. And secondly, use mechanical equipment to the construction site must be strictly enforced existing standards and norms. And construction site should establish the corresponding mechanical equipment, safety management rules and regulations. The construction site must have practical use of machinery so that they know how to use it, and they should prepare the machinery equipment accident emergency in case anything happens. The installation of the lifting machinery, removal of the corresponding construction site must be issued by the administrative department. The construction site machinery equipment should be done to proper use and safe operation of non-fault and overload.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nofara Amira binti Nurul Fazli. Now I'm going to present about the factors affecting the selection of the machinery. The factors, it has a lot of factors, and the selection of the proper equipment to be used is very important. It's part of the job planning. The contractor have many different options, and it makes the selection more complicated. A planner has to choose the alternatives that provide the best value from a cost and a schedule perspective. Selection of equipment of a construction project generally divided into two sectors, which is hard sector and soft sector. Example of a hard sector is technical specification of the equipment, physical dimensions of the site, and the constructed facility, and also the cost calculation. For the soft sector are the safety considerations, company policy regarding purchase and rental, market fluctuation, and environmental constraints. The soft factors influence the decision making to a large extent. Among the factors that affecting the selection of the machinery are economic considerations. The economic considerations such as owning costs, operating labor costs, and operating fuel costs of equipment are most important in selection of equipment. Apart from that is the company specific. The selection of equipment by a company may be governed by its policy, while emphasis on owning may result in purchase of equipment, keeping in mind that future requirement of project. The emphasis of renting may lead to putting too much focus on a short-term benefit. The next one is the site specific. Site condition, both ground condition as well as the climatic condition, may affect the equipment selection decision. For example, the soil of a profile of a site may dictate whether to go for a crawler-mounted equipment or a wheel-mounted equipment. Next is the equipment specific. Construction equipment connect with high price tags. While it may be tempting to go for the equipment with low initial price, it is preferable to opt with standard equipment. The size of equipment selected is also an important consideration. Although the unit production cost may be cheaper for the equipment of a large size, It is also true that large equipments require corresponding large sizes of machine equipments. Next one is the client and project specific. The owner or the client in a certain project may have certain preferences that are not in the line with the construction company's preferred policies as far as equipment procurement is concerned. The schedule, quality and safety requirement demanded of a particular project may in some cases force the company to yield to the demands of the client. Then next is the manufacturer. The construction company may prefer to buy equipment from the same manufacturer again and again, and that too from a specific dealer. This may be to bring in uniformity in the equipment fleet possessed by the company, or because the company is familiar with the working style of the manufacturer and the dealer. Then last one is the labor consideration. Shortage of manpower in some situation may lead to a decision in favor of procuring equipment that is highly automated. Further, the selection of equipment may be governed by the availability or non-availability of trained manpower. The company may not be inclined to select some sophisticated equipment if it finds that there is a limited availability of manpower to operate the same.